SONY Xperia XZ3 and let me show you how to enable the portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's tap apps icon, then here you need to find and select the settings. From the following options, let's choose network and internet. Here let's choose hotspot and tethering. Let's tap portable hotspot, and here you can enable portable hotspot by using that switcher. Tap OK to confirm it. So the hotspot is activated. You can now configure the hotspot by tapping configure hotspot, and you can here select the network name, security type, the password. Right now the password is right here, the following one. All you need to know that the password must contain at least 8 characters. If you change something, tap save, if not, choose cancel. Here you can also use the power save, so you can disable the portable hotspot, for example, after 10 minutes of inactivity, or you can tap never. And if you would like to disable the hotspot, let's use this switcher, and that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.